Twistable slick sticks. Wow, that's a tongue twister. It's a Crayola twistable slick stick crayon. Welcome to my channel Utsav, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today is day 4 for our Advent calendar, Crayola Advent calendar, and I'm really excited because that means that Christmas is just 21 days away, and super excited. And we are 20 days away to finding all the goodies that we get inside here. So let's go ahead and open the day 4. Okay, the day 4 is up here, and let's see, what do we get today? It's a long one, so I'm thinking it probably is a marker. Oh, hold on, let me put it down. I'm trying to be nice and gentle, but this thing is ripping. Come on. I think my fingers are too big for this small tiny space here. Okay. It's a twistable slick sticks. Wow, that's a tongue twister. It's a Crayola twistable slick stick crayon. I think it's a crayon, I'm not sure. I haven't had this before. I don't know what this is. I have never had this before, and I need to do a research before I do anything with this. Hold on, let me see. Create an ornament for the tree. Color or paint a wreath and decorate with stickers. I still don't know what this is. I might have to look it up and see what this is. I've never used this before. If you guys have, let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely going to do some research on this. But this is exciting. I've never even heard about something like this. So super excited. I just want to go ahead and open the envelope. And if you have just joined us today, for this Advent calendar, there is an envelope that says no peeking, and it has an activity for each day, and we are on day 4, so it has the number 4 up here, and we're going to pull it out. And I have been very honest to this, and haven't cheated and looked at any of this. Wow, I have 2 sheets. Look at these. I have 2 sheets. Yay, I'm really excited. And these are, I think, these are stickers, guys. They are so cute. I'm going to definitely color them, and I'm going to use yesterday's copper penny to color all the gingerbread men's here. I'm really excited. I'm so happy to have this. Really excited. And then there is this beautiful cutout for wreath, and we can color this in and decorate it with stickers, or I can draw my own pictures on it. So let's get to the table and let's get started. But before I see you guys at the table, I'm going to figure this out, what this is and how I can use this. We're going to put this envelope back in here, and I'll get to the table. Alright guys, so I figured out that this crayon works on, it's a crayon, and it works on wood, cardboard, parchment paper or wax paper, and it can work on anything, and it dries so it doesn't smudge even on the wax paper. That's what I looked it up, and we're going to use this, and I'm going to incorporate all the four goodies that we got till now from the Advent calendar to color this and color the wreath here, and also all the stickers. And I'm also going to use my Crayola Super Tips marker, and I'm going to finish coloring both of them. So let's get to coloring. Alright guys, so now this is completed and it's dried up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these colored sticker sheet that we colored, and I'm going to decorate this wreath with the colored stickers. So I'm going to use not all of them, just a few. Gonna put some gingerbread man and some candy canes. Can't go outside because this thing comes off. We'll use some candies. And maybe some, oh nah, it'll get merged. Let's put a couple of more candy canes somewhere. Sorry, I'm talking low. Let's put some couple of candy canes, I'm just thinking. And then a couple of stars. And some lemon candy. And some more candies. Just putting it randomly, nothing specific, just whatever I pick up, I just put it up. And one more right here. And I don't think these are sticking that well because I colored this wreath with paints, but as long as they stay for some time, I'll be happy. And we missed this pink candy. I'm gonna put the pink candy right here. Okay, so that's it guys, this is done. Alright guys, so we completed these stickers are not that sticky, or I think it's my mistake that I painted it with paints and not with crayons. But this is the completed activity for day 4. This is the part 1 of it, and I've stuck the stickers on it and they might be coming off, I'm not sure, but this is it. And then these are the stickers that I am left over with, and I'm going to stick them all in my sticker album, and I'm going to have them in my collection as my Christmas sticker collection. So today I had super fun. This is an amazing crayon. I think I have never heard about this twistable slick sticks. Yes, finally I can say twistable slick sticks. And I'm going to see if I can find more colors in this. This was so smooth. It just glided along. It was just so smooth, so easy. And I want to do more projects with this. I might try it on wood and cardboard and even wax paper, so I want to try this out. So I'm definitely going to buy more crayons, this twistable slick sticks crayons. And if you have used this, leave me a comment below and tell me all about your experience. I am really excited for my day 4 goodie, which I had never heard or seen before. So really excited. And I really love how this two turned out. Leave me a comment below how you guys enjoyed. Did you guys enjoy watching me color this? And what is your favorite sticker? Also, if you love this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't watched the previous 3 days of Advent Calendar videos, I will have all of them in the link below for you guys to check out. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, because if we reach 1,000 subscribers by December 25th, I will be doing a giveaway for the New Year. So just please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And without your support, I cannot grow my channel and I cannot show you more ideas that I have. Currently we are in this Advent Calendar series, but I do have a ton of ideas with craftings and coloring and everything. So just please hit that subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.